But cat delete on this bitch, so. Oh. Boxer.
It's a clean boxer.
It is clean.
It's clean now.
Dude, these are so small, your pipes.
I know. We need a flashlight to masturbate with.
But you have to get all the bolts off.
Oh, there's a nut on the top.
Geesh.
I need a fucking wrench for the top. There's a nut.
Maybe a 10.
Yeah. Oh, that's hot.
Come on, Daddy.
Ouch. I can just pull it. Oh, yeah, I can. Ready? You're about to get mud on your shit.
Okay.
Fucking come off. Oh, we could probably get that one. That one's actually still pretty good.
Wait, just. Yeah, and then. Okay.
Square bitch off.
Lube.
Thank you, bitch.
You owe me $100.
Huh?
Say you owe me extra $100.
Oh my fucking god. Ah! My fingy. Alright. This wheel's already gone.
Good. Food works. Food looks good. We've got scrap gone. Tomorrow, take off the candy trees.
This wheel's already gone.
We've taken the cats off the 2001 Outback Sport. Waiting for Lucas to come. Pulling the whip in the garage. Take the cats off, so once he gets here, start filming again. Wash the cars. Actually didn't have to wash mine. Cleaning my engine bay right now. But we just washed his car. We're gonna put the new sensor in, put new gasket in the exhaust, take out the cats. So I'll see you right when I get there. But I'm looking at the progress of my engine degreasing. Got Type-C. Set cools down. Rinse that off and then we'll be done with that. Using that sensor. Don't remember what it's called. Alright, just finished cleaning my bay. And yes, I did let it cool down before I sprayed it down. It's a lot cleaner. Oh boy. And then I washed my whole car, washed my hood, under my hood, everything. I just gotta dry it, and then I'm gonna go help Lucas, so we'll get this dried and then we'll be all set. Huh?
I'm just loading this bitch up with WD. Oh my god.
Are you doing both or just that one?
What?
Are you doing both cats or just that one?
I mean both.
There's one back here.
Yeah, I already have those bolts off.
Oh, I don't know if you're doing both.
I just said both.
I know, I didn't know. Sorry.
Is that one?
Just the O2 sensors, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then
It's
mid-pipe is
out.
out of here. Alright, Lucas is leaving. We're resuming it tomorrow because we can get the O2 sensors out. He got his camshaft, whatever, sensor in, but he's leaving his tools here. Put it up on ramps tomorrow after he gets back from work, and then we should resume with the video. So, see you guys later. Okay, day 3. Cat delete. Let's get it.
Bro, you don't know what the fuck going on.
Can you see it? Yeah, Lucas a bitch, so I had to unplug that one. I don't unplug that one because Lucas a bitch. What?
Oh! Fuck. Damn, good thing I got a new one of these.
Is it ruined?
Dude, it's fucking raunchy.
Okay, let's get do it.
Oh, shit. Should we get that? No.
Done it, you. You couldn't even get it out. Your O2 sensor. Here you go. Did it break through? No. There's a little leak right here where we were tightening. Stop. Oh crap. There's a little leak, but rev it. I want to see if it sounds a lot louder out here. Yeah, that's all that here. No, dude, that's all that. Yeah. Alright, Lucas decided he's gonna cut the muffler off. Put that over there. It's not loud enough, so we're cutting the muffler off. And it's gonna sound like crazy.
It doesn't want to go on.
See it from back here.
This is fucking dumb. gonna get as close as I can to the back.
Okay.
Stuck.
Dude, that looks good as fuck.
It's like a race car.
Oh my god.
You put all the shit that I wear up there.
All this shit's off now. You have a straight pipe pretty much.
I actually do.
You screwed that shit up.
Oh, dude, that looks good as fuck.
What do you think of your new exhaust?
It's loud. It's fucking loud.
But it's good. Join here. It's not as bad, Mike. It seriously is. It's definitely a lot louder now. Holy crap. He's gonna do another one flying down. Alright, well this is going to be the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Muffler delete, cat delete on the 2001 Outback Sport. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later.